Hello everyone. This is an unboxing video of the Jackery SolarSaga 100 watt solar panel. This is most compatible with the Explorer 500, the Explorer 300, the Explorer 240, and the Explorer 160. Two of these solar panels will efficiently charge the massive Explorer 1000. Right off the bat, you can tell this is a very lightweight solar panel, even in its packaging. The SolarSaga 100 weighs only 9.1 pounds, which makes it very easy to bring with you on camping trips and short hikes. As we open the box, we can pull the handle to remove it from its packaging. This handle makes carrying the solar panel significantly easier. Once the solar panel is removed, we can open it to reveal the solar tiles. Make sure these are facing direct sunlight when used. We can see that there are two kickstands that strap to the back with Velcro. Once we open these, you can slightly adjust the angle at which the solar panel will catch sunlight. The SolarSaga 100 is 48 inches wide and 21 inches tall when fully opened. When it's folded up, it stands at just 24 inches tall, 21 inches wide, and just 1.38 inches thick, making it perfect for storing. It's very important to note that the solar panel is not waterproof. On the back side is where the charging cord is located. The cord is 3 meters long and coils up in the pouch. At the base of the cord there is a USB-C and a USB-A output port. The USB-A is 5 volts, 2.4 amps, and the USB-C is 5 volts, 3 amps. With these you can charge smartphones, cameras, tablets, etc., and the solar panel provides shade for these devices. The SolarSaga 100 also has little grommets on both ends of the panel, which allows you to hang it on a van or a car for more direct sunlight. The solar panel's peak power is 100 watts. The power voltage is 18 volts, and the power current is 5.55 amps. With a high conversion efficiency up to 23%, the SolarSaga 100 outperforms other solar panels in hot weather. When you are finished charging, simply fold the solar panel in half, and the magnetic handles will hold it together for your journey. Thanks for watching.